Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. On today's video, we're going to be making this delicious porridge yam. Let us go. So you're going to be needing your yam. And guys, if you are wondering the reason why this yam is looking like this is because in Germany you hardly get very good yam. Okay, it's new yam season. Yam have not really dried up, so it is really difficult to get a good yam. And sometimes when you buy the yam, you get home, half of the yam is spoiled. So normally when I go to Blessing shop, which is the Nigerian lady who owns the African shop where I shop here, I will cut the yam in three to make sure that I don't get home and I do not see yam to cook. She agrees anyway, and sometimes when the yam is very bad, she cuts two or three and then joins it together and put them on top of the kilo, and there you have it. So you're going to start off by slicing all your yam in cubes. This yam is about €3.50. Anyway, let's continue. So you're going to be needing fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, and some rosemary that I dried up by myself, and some onions, of course. And I'm going to be using this dry fish, some vegetables, some salt, some mixed spices, some Maggi cube, and then you're going to pack all that, put all that in the blender and blend it. Don't blend it too smooth, okay? Don't always blend your pepper too smooth. Now put your fry pan, your whatever it is that you're going to use to cook, your kettle, your pot on the fire. Add some olive oil and then add some palm oil. Once that heats up, add into the pot your blended ingredients and allow to cook. Once it cooks, you don't have to dry it before you add your ingredients. Go ahead and add all your spices and then stir gently and add some crayfish. I did show this at the beginning, but of course you have to add some crayfish into your porridge and add some meat stock. I did also show this, and then add your fish. Meat stock is very good, guys. If you notice, I did not add salt inside all this that I'm cooking. This is because the meat stock, the Maggi, and then the mixed spices, they all have salt inside of it. So you really have to be careful with salt when you're cooking. Once that cooks, add your yam. Guys, if you notice, I didn't use a lot of water to cook this. Yes, this is because this yam is new. Okay, this yam is new. And secondly, I do not want watering porridge. I want a typical Nigerian porridge, or let me say Igbo porridge. Once the yam is tender, go ahead and add your vegetables. Once you add your vegetables, they are going to reduce the heat, reduce it to the lowest. This pot that I'm using is a kind of pot that heats very fast. So I cooked that again for 2 minutes, and then voila, we have our yam. If you are wondering the reason why this yam is not porridge like Yoruba porridge, I'm just going to break only one yam. In Igbo land, we do not eat that asaro. Yoruba people call it asaro, where they blended yam and stuff, like we don't eat it. So this is what we got at the end of the day. Okay, then go ahead and enjoy your yam. And then you're going to dish some. I dish some for my husband and I that we're going to eat for dinner, and then we enjoyed our meal. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.